Struggling to add a link in your Namecheap footer? Follow these exact steps to get it done in under 5 minutes. If you've been poking around your site settings looking for a dedicated footer menu option and coming up empty, I've been there. It's not obvious. But once you know where to look, it takes almost no time at all. So here's the plan. First, we'll open your site in the Namecheap Website Builder editor. Then we'll add a new link directly to the footer section. Let's do this. Start by navigating to your Namecheap dashboard. You know, the main account page, where you see your list of projects and sites. Look for the Website Builder section. You'll want to click the Edit button next to the website you're working on. That opens the Live Editor, where you can see your site just as your visitors would. Now, here's a little insight from working with this builder a lot. The editor is where all the magic happens, and it's really designed to be intuitive, but the footer controls are tucked away in a slightly unexpected place. Don't worry, we're going straight there. Now, locate the button that says Updated Just Now. It's usually up in the top bar of the editor. Go ahead and click that. I know it seems like a weird place to start for adding a footer link, but trust me on this one. When you click it, a drop-down menu appears with options related to the site's metadata and structure. This is the hub for things like your page title, description, and yes, the footer settings. It's not the most obvious spot, but it's exactly where you need to be. Next, find and click Add Another Link. Once that drop-down is open, look for the section that controls your footer links. You'll see an option that says Add Another Link. Click it. A new field or prompt will appear, ready for you to paste in the URL you want and give it a label. This is where you get to be creative. Maybe it's a link to your portfolio, a contact page, a privacy policy, or an affiliate link. Type in the text you want visitors to see, like About Us or Support, and paste the full web address. Make sure you include the HTTPS part, otherwise the link might break. Finally, confirm by clicking Continue. Once you've filled in your link text and the URL, you'll see a blue or gray button labeled Continue. Click it. This saves that new link into your footer. The editor might take a second to process and update the preview, which is totally normal. You should now see your new link appear down in the footer area of your site. Give it a quick test click right there in the editor to make sure it goes where you expect. And that's all there is to it. From fumbling around looking for a footer option to having a fully functional custom link right where you want it. As we've seen, it's just a matter of knowing that hidden path through the editor. If you found this walkthrough helpful, I hope you'll check out some of the other tutorials I've put together. We'll keep building better sites, one click at a time.